My legs are on him, my legs are on him. And, oh, good boy, good boy. Very nice work. So you notice right there, whenever we were cantering, I even stopped in the same place a few times so he would anticipate a stop up here. Anything like that that you can use to help you when you're first going bridleless, to give that horse the answer, we're gonna try to do it because we wanna set him up for success. So notice that right over here, not only is this a good camera shot because it's on the opposite side of the round pen, but stopping in the same place a few times, it already gave him the inkling, I'm probably not just gonna hot lap around this round pen, I'm probably gonna come over here and stop. The more times we can get him to do the thing that we want him to do without that bridle, and he successfully does it,